Hello friends, Happy New Year to all of my subscribers and viewers. I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I am going to give a New Year gift to every of my long-term investors. This share is already recommended by me and I also included this share in my Diwali pick also. I want every of my viewers and subscribers to have this share in their portfolio. You have to buy at least 10 shares and keep these shares, hold this share for the next 1 year at least. This company can also be considered as SIP also. Please invest 1000, 2000, 3000, whatever it may be, according to capacity, and buy this share for the next 1 year. You will get enough time to purchase this share because this share will be traded between 300 to 400 rupees because operators want to grab the shares from the hands of retailers. Now retailers having 10% share in the company. So they want to grab at least 4% from the investors. So this share will be traded between 300 to 400 for a period of time. The name of the company is BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. We all know this company well. It is India's second largest oil marketing company and also engaged in the refining of crude oil and also in the marketing of petroleum products also. The two drawbacks of the company is that first, it is a government company, public limited company, and second is that we all know the future of India is EV vehicle space, electrical vehicle space. So the business of petroleum would not be bright. This is two reasons why this share is traded at 385 rupees. The last traded price of company is 385 rupees. Last traded price of Friday. So I here pointed out some points. You please go through my points, and if you feel that this company is worth, please invest in the share. Okay. First, we always tell that the petroleum business is not bright, but this is well known to the company also. So they are decided to diversify their businesses into renewable space as well as EV space. So there is recent news that they are tied up with Solar Energy Corporation to set up 10 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2040. But the management expects it can able to set up this 10 gigawatt of renewable energy within 2030 itself. But the period they said is at 2040, but they are confident to set up that project within 2030 itself. The government is giving full support to the renewable energy space. The government is expecting 175 gigawatt of renewable energy within the period within 2022 itself. And this renewable energy include not only solar, wind is the electrical mobility, hydrogen and waste to energy, all included in this renewable energy space. So the vision of the company is very good. Secondly, they are going to set up 7,000 electrical vehicles charging stations all across the country. That means they are going to enter into the electrical vehicle space also. So the future business of India, both the electrical vehicle and renewable energy, they are going to have a presence in future. So now we know that company as an oil marketing company, but sometime after 1 year or 2 years, this company will be more than that. It may be another big renewable energy space company, or it had a great presence in the electrical vehicle space also. I expect so from the company because the management of the company is very good. This is my first point, that they enter into renewable energy space. Second, they are going to erect 7,000 EV charging stations across the country. And the third one is that privatization of the BPCL. I don't know whether it happens in 6 months or 1 year, or it may take 2 years. Whatever it may be, it will happen. So when it happens, there will be a lot of private players will show interest in it because the theme of the business of the BPCL is very good. So when it happened, when you go to the right hand in private space, you became another great company. It became a multi-bagger. You can provide a multi-bagger to all of the investors. For dividend yield itself, 13% dividend is given by the company, which is very, very good. 13% dividend yield of the company. The last year, it had given 21-22 financial year, it had given 58 rupees per share as dividend. Because the main shareholder is government, so their main income is coming in the way of dividend itself. So every year, the BPCL will declare at least 60-70 rupees per share dividend. So dividend yield is very good, and I expect 2 or 3 bonuses within a period of 2025 also. This is my next point. And last point, the latest news which came that LIC had increased the stake. LIC had 5.66% stake in the company. They had increased from 5.66%, they increased the stake to 7.66%. Now the LIC had 4 crore 38 lakh shares in their hands. Without studying, LIC won't invest in any company. So I had attracted most when this news came. So when we already look the shareholding pattern of the company, it is very interesting that government is holding 52.98% in the company. FIOs are now holding 11.97% in the company, and DIOs, including LIC, is now holding 24.58% in the company. So actually only 10.47% is in hands of retailers. That's why I said that after 1 year, retail investment will be 6%. So only 10% is now in the hands of retailer, but all other FIOs are holding 12%. It's very good for the company. They know the future of the company. That's why they are holding this much amount. When we consider the P ratio, it's only 4.66. That is, the industrial P is 23.41. The P ratio BPC is only 4.66% against the industrial P of 23.41%. It had a decent EPS of 80 rupees and book value of 243 rupees. Year high of the company 503 rupees. It's easy to go to that range. And year low is 357. Now it is traded near to its year low. The face value of the company is 10 rupees. So when we talk about the face value, it is most interested that many of our investors are now after the penny stocks. Recently, one of my clients asked me whether to invest in this share, a penny stock. I'm not going to name the company. When I look, the share price of the company is 46 rupees now. So when I just look about the company, I see that the face value of the company is only 1 rupees. So the active value is not 46. The active value is 460 rupees. So a penny stock having no fundamentals is laying at the price of 460 rupees, and a good fundamental company like BPSL is traded at 385 rupees. No one wants BPSL. Everyone wants that penny stock which have no fundamentals at 460 rupees. So the investors will go and buy that stock, 46 rupees. He is saying that 46 rupees. Actually, it is not 46 rupees, it is 460 rupees. So I request every of my investors at least look the fundamentals, face value, etc. before investing in a penny stocks. Everyone want TTML like shares. So many of my clients asking me to give a recommendation like TTML. When I recommended TTML as 7 rupees, whatever points I had noted, it is coming to existence now. Whatever I am saying is now happenings. But TTML is a share having the background of Tata Group, having 73% of stake still in the hands of promoters. And this company can, if Tata decided, they can make this company to any level. Whatever business they decide can do through the TTML. There is a great scope for TTML shares, but I am not recommending TTML at this stage. If you have share at the rate of 7 rupees, hold it. But most of us other penny stocks are running along with this type of shares without having any backup or fundamentals. So please don't go and buy a penny stock expecting the same movement of TTML. We can able to compare the other penny stocks with TTML shares. Okay. I just told that's all. In case of BPSL also, one other point is the average delivery. Last week we have seen a delivery percentage of 53.36 percentage is a very good delivery. So altogether, BPSL is good in picture now. So I expect this company can able to give a good decent return over a period of 1 or 2 years if all this happening is come into existence. However, this is my personal view about the company. Please have your own study about the company before investing in the stocks. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please forward my videos to friends, relatives, and share it. Thank you. Thank you very much.